A student, welcome back in video session classes. Today I discuss computer memory, the storage device in class 4. This is the second chapter, and today this related in this chapter, data representation in computer. My dear student, first of all, I discuss what is the data representation in computer. I have already teach, but this is the revision point, the main important point, data representation in computer. What is the data representation in computer? Computer understand the language of the electricity, which can either in switch on or off. Computer are related with a totally diagram basis. Computer computer understand computer understand electricity electricity which can either in switch on or which electricity means which mode the switch on and switch off. These two type of mode of the electricity, the switch on and the switch off. My dear student, the switch on in computer is represented as 1. The switch on represented in computer computer 1, and the switch off represented in computer is 0. Represented in computer is 0. I hope every student understand. Computer understand to the electricity, the two type of electricity mode, switch on and the switch off. Switch on represented in computer is 1 and the switch off represented in computer is 0. My dear student, computer understand again 2 digit. Again the diagram, computer understand. Again computer understand 2 digits. Which digit name? This digit name is 0 or 1. This 2 digit is 0 or 1. I hope every student know that computer understand 2 digit 0 or 1. These 2 digit 0 or 1 are also called what? What also called? These also called binary digit. These 2 digit 0 or 1 is also called binary digits. I hope every student binary digits or bits, bits, bits. I hope every student clear in this figure. Computer understand electricity mode, switch on and the switch off. Switch on represented in computer is 1 and the switch off represented in computer is 0. Again computer understand 2 digit 0 or 1. This 2 digit number 0 or 1 is called to the binary digit, and this binary digit is also called to the bits. What is the bits? I again bits. My dear students, bits is the smallest unit. I again repeat, bits is the smallest unit of memory in computer. So bits in the a smallest unit, a smallest unit, a smallest unit in memory in computer. My dear student, I discuss bits. Bits. I already discussed bits is the smallest unit. Bits is the smallest unit in computer memory. Every student remember, because I have already discussed in this topic with totally diagram basis. One time study, then all our point automatically remember. Again, what is the bits? Bits are combined together to form a character codes. So bits are combined together. Which type of combined together? This type of combined together is a character code. Character code. I hope every student clear. Suppose any parents, any teacher, you ask, what is the bits? The bits is the smallest unit in the computer memory. And again, what is the bits? Bits is the combined together. Which type of combined together? This combined together is a character codes. My dear student, combination of 8 digit makes a byte. Again, combination of 8 digits. This combination of 8 digit makes a byte. Suppose every student clear? Combination of 8 digit makes a byte. Single byte is used to represent one character of data. Single byte. What is the single byte? So single byte is used to represent one character of data. So single byte used one character of data. Anybody asked that what is the bits? The bits is the smallest unit. Which type of smallest unit? The computer memory. Bits combined together character code. This combination of 8 digits is called to the byte, and the single byte represented to one character of the data. My dear, every student noted bits. I have already discussed bits. Binary digit or bit. Suppose any guardians, any teachers you ask 0 or 1, binary digit or bits. Your question, your answer is both. Suppose one teacher asked to you 0 or 1 is bits or not. Yes, 0 or 1 is the bits or binary both. The bits equal to 0 or 1. Bits 0 or 1, or byte equal to byte combination of 8 digit. Byte is a combination of 8 digits. I have already discussed. Which 8 digits? 0 1. Yeah, suppose 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1. This is the binary form. Not for the 2. This is the senior classes. The 6th class 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1. So this is the, because computer is always time understand 0 or 1 digit. I have already discussed. 0 or 1, the computer data represent bits or byte. कंप्यूटर डेटा रिप्रेजेंट बिट्स एंड बाइट. तो these computer data represent bits or byte. I hope every student clear कि computer data understand bits or byte. My dear student, I again repeat in this. This is the all of topic cover in data representation. Suppose one chart you always time understand in your mind. 1 byte equal to 1 byte. Anybody ask to the question, 1 byte is equal to 8 bit. 1 byte is equal to 8 bit. So again, 1 byte is equal to 8 bit. This is the end of your topic. Thank you so much.